What's going on, everybody? Once again, welcome to the Help Coin. I hope you have an incredible day. Thursday is here. That is just one heading. We have one more game to go before the playoffs. If I want to go 7:30 in the final game, yes, I believe I'll go and we'll work things out. I'll work it out. What say you about that? Examine this video, we go, and my price projections altered in XRP. As you are aware, I have consistently spoken in extremely cautious terms, ranging from 3 to 650, and my figures have increased. Where do I believe we will end up going? Here, we're tying in a lot of data. We are going to discuss XRP. My forecast, a conservative one, is my final bullish blow-off peak. We are going to discuss about Bitcoin and where it is headed, people like a lock. We're just going to take it from there. We have a lock on a Bitcoin number. Watch this video to find out where it goes. Let's just go with the flow. There are no pre-written scripts here. All we're doing is chatting to the audience with a microphone, which is made up of fans and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. So without further ado, have a seat, unwind, and let's start at Bitcoin at $3,828. Ethereum is currently down 8.5% over the last 24 hours. Since USDC was at $1 this morning, it has decreased by roughly 1% over the last 24 hours, with both USDT and USDC falling below the dollar pegs. It has dropped once further as money is moving in and out of the cryptocurrency markets, with XRP trading at a mean lean 52 cents. Yes, it is correct. As it approaches 0.68% in the red, it is in the red, precisely where we wish to avoid seeing it. How do you plan to proceed? That's what XRP does to us people, you know. Now, that's what it does to us. The entire market capitalization of cryptocurrencies is $2,662 billion. From here, where do we go? I'm telling you, I genuinely feel that there will be a brief fall to the downside, perhaps between 60,000 and 70,000. After that, I think we'll see a run up in Bitcoin reaching up to 74K. We'll see that soon. XRP, see, I've already said it 100 times, and I'll repeat it 101 more times. I believe that XRP is bottoming out. In my opinion, 48, we met a wick to about 45 of 43, I believe. That was the bottom though, wasn't it? Nobody actually received those wicks. Is it making a slight backward step here? Are you going to punish yourself in the butt if you purchase XRP for 56 or 48 cents? No, not if you're looking at 20 to 25 when XRP is expected to reach its peak price. Now folks, 42, 52, 62, and 72 won't matter in the grand scheme of things. Go to the merchandise store right now and grab a tumbler if you haven't been there yet. There are not enough tumblers left. All right, we have 200 of these on hand. They are moving quite quickly. They've only been up for about a week, but I have something amazing to show you. I imported every review from the time the merchandise store was operational, and it is simply amazing. I just noticed that we have 40 ounces, but there are only 10 blocks remaining in stock. You're familiar with those cups that resemble Stanley cups. Yes, those are on the way, but the XRP on it, we became quite cool. We have them all, but have a look at this evaluation. Tell me that right now, Joseph, my man. I'm not sure who Joseph is, but I appreciate you purchasing a cup at that time. Is this a pun of some kind? Quick delivery, does he have a dig at Swift here? He seems like a really high caliber Ripple Van Winkle. I am that. He always gets it spot on, you damn right. I do, people. In the summer, we are really killing it with these cups. The lovely lid is included with it. It's engraved. This is a photo of my poor baby since it won't go away. If you look closely, you can see dinosaurs on his cast. We had to visit the veterinarian today, and it was shocking to see how wonderful he was. They removed his cast, as I know. He currently has nothing on it. Every staple is visible. We have his small cone placed atop his head to prevent him from licking it. He continues to take numerous medications. He is high on drugs. He underwent ACL surgery or CCL surgery. He has already completed one additional leg. It was just 2 years ago. For those of you who have been following me, it was a nightmare. On the other leg, what is it? I hope my man is back on track. He only wants to go outdoors so he can go for a walk, as if he's refusing to go potty. I've never seen someone hold faces for as long as he does because he wants me to take him, which is absurd. He can't walk down in his favorite area right now, but tonight when it cools off, I'm going to put him in the car and take him to his favorite area so he can maybe go destroy some grass. I'm going to drive him over to the pool at the clubhouse over in the condominiums where I live. Hey, Dusty Crypto claims you're already wealthy. You're not impoverished. Recall that he is correct. Everybody here is pre-rich. Before cryptocurrency, we were wealthy. You are going to make a ton of money if you are currently investing in cryptocurrency. Please pardon my English. Or as an excuse, my French folks think it's an excuse. Nothing has been seen thus far. I captured a picture of the cryptocurrency markets on June 1st. In 3 months, 6 months, and a year, I will demonstrate that to you. You won't be able to predict where these markets are headed. That is the amount of money that is expected to flood this market. It's going to go crazy soon, utterly crazy, and I hope you're prepared for it. Gary Gensler, please give me this. Listen to this tiny weasel, please. Making an effort to maintain face prior to making our XRP price projections. Let's get started. Indeed. All right, now Polkadot, Cordana Universe, Unchangeable, Ronin, Bonk, Osmosis, Sushi Swap, millions of trades with my neighbor Alice. This morning, millions of dollars are at stake. No, shall we trade sushi instead? Perhaps any advice or insider information would be helpful. I believe that osmosis and bonk occur naturally. Garrett is trading millions of these. Millions of cash are involved here. These items are being traded. Don't we ought to have it? Should we launch a product of some kind? Permit me to elaborate on a bit regarding the cryptocurrency markets at the moment. Without bias, these tokens, regardless of whether they are the ones Jim mentioned or not, have not provided you with the disclosures that are required by law, in addition to being necessary for you to make your investing decisions. It's a fundamental idea in our stock market. Tomorrow marks our 90th birthday at the SEC. CC90, happy birthday. Additionally, President Roosevelt established this body to supervise investor disclosure in the cryptocurrency markets. That disclosure isn't being provided to you. Furthermore, exchanges such as the New York Stock Exchange, which is located here on this floor, get adequately regulated to guard against manipulation and fraud, and they won't trade against you or these cryptocurrency exchanges. Jim is taking action. We would never permit the New York Stock Exchange to act in a way that would violate our laws prohibiting trading against your clients. As a result, you have witnessed bankruptcy in this industry, and some of the most illustrious figures in this sector are either in jail or are awaiting extradition. All well, so that's not the best scenario for them. However, from what I can see, things are not ideal for investors. Right now, you are investing in a field where people aren't receiving the appropriate disclosure securities. Actually, I am aware that I am referring to their names, and nothing you know how odd that is some individuals in this room even know who they are by name. It makes no sense to toss this hatchet into a coin without a reason. I apologize. You people own currency. No, I do not believe that there is a Kramer coin where one should be, but there is this. I'm hoping it's correctly registered. I wasn't going to bring it up right now because it's a pump and dump. Oh, Kramer coin. I didn't intend to bring it up. There you have it. We don't have much time left, so she's fighting against the weight I can get in. People, Kramer's in serious trouble now. However, notice that he is genuinely attempting to maintain his composure. I take it that he's attempting to play the hero in this situation. He is attempting to convey, listen to these exchanges. I take it that they are essentially trading against you. All available leverage is being seen by them. They are lowering the cost. They are removing your leverage. They notice your shorts. To get you out, they increase the cost, then lower it afterwards. Acting as though he's the nice man in this situation. Interesting. You mentioned Ripple, yet we talk about the DCCCC a lot. Do not overlook Chainlink. It is going to be an incredible beast. I would have became a multi-millionaire if Chainlink had been available. All I did was prop. While I did some research, I never really got into it. When I was a big maxi back in 2017, I noticed a Chainlink for about 20 cents, and it had already increased $18. It will cost approximately 1,200.00 dollars. If I had, I'm not interested in talking about it because the lunch I just had will make me sick. Psychology of Wall Street. Folks, where are we? In your opinion, where are we now?